Hey folks, Jimmy Weller here with Weller's Utility Trailers. Want to talk about a heavy duty trailer? Ask about the Master Tow. This one here, 14 foot. It's got the 2 5/16 coupler, the breakaway switch. The breakaway switch has a tester so that you know your battery is always charged. Breakaway switch is like an airbag. It's very, very important, but it does have a battery, so you want to know that it's always charged. The jack is swivel, so you just get it off the ground, swivel it up out of the way. Has the double rail box tubing sides for extra stability. 4 tie-down points. 2 in front of the fenders, 2 behind the fenders. That's on each side. Tandem axle, brakes on all 4 tires. Now the ramp gate is box tube. That means that this gate is very heavy. However, it is spring assisted. Has a spring-loaded pin, so you don't have to worry about where your pin is. Locks into place. It goes back. You got a spring here, a spring on that side. Very, very light, but it also goes forward. So if you're hauling a 16-foot piece of lumber, you stick it right off the rear instead of the front. If you stick it off the front, there's always a chance that your bumper could hit it. 16-foot kayak, same thing. Also, if you don't want the wind drag, lay it down. You don't got that big parachute back here. Or if you need to load with a forklift, you can set right on the back of the gate. And it's got a handle here, a handle there. You pick it back up, lock it in place. This one here, 14 foot. We have others available. Stop into Weller's and ask about the Master Tow.